So welcome back people. Today we will see how to add a layout to our website using tables. Now if you look at our website we can notice that we don't have a proper layout. Everything is kind of aligned towards the left. So we usually create a layout using CSS. But as we are just starting with HTML, we will see how to make a basic layout using tables. Later, when we are talking about CSS, we will learn an effective way to create layout using CSS. So let's go back to our code. So I hope you remember this. So if not, check out our videos on making your own website in the HTML series. So we will create a basic layout using HTML table. So we put our image into one table data and the other things into another cell. So let's save this and run it. Put our browser, reload this page. So we have two images. Why is that? Because we added image two times. Let's erase this here. So now let's save this again. Go to our website, reload this. You will see that the website is no longer aligned towards the left. Now it would be nice if you have some space between the image and the text. So we are going to increase the distance between the two cell by using cell spacing. Cell spacing attribute defines the size of the space between two cells in pixels, or you can say percentage value. So let's see how to add some cell spacing to this. So we gave a value of 20 to cell spacing. Now let's save this and run it again. Go to our website, reload as usual. Now if you see, it's not like before. We have a certain amount of space, which is 20 pixels of space on all the sides of the cell. So this is how you use tables to add a layout to our website if you are using only HTML. But this kind of looks like a 90s website, doesn't it? So as we go further in this series, we will see about the basics of CSS. Then we will be able to better create a layout for our website. Make sure to hang around for that so that you can create a better website for yourself.